We are thrilled that you are able to join us today as Qatar Airways welcomes the world's newest state-of-art aircraft into our hub here in Doha, in the state of Qatar. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite His Excellency Mr. Akbar Al Baker to say a few words on this special occasion for Qatar Airways. Please.
The arrival of the Airbus A350 into the Qatar Airways fleet is quite simply a design of a decade, symbolizing how truly unique and special this aircraft is, not just for us, but for the entire aviation industry.
The arrival of the first A350 is a great moment for both of our companies, Airbus and Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways' cabin design is especially impressive and raises the bar for the whole industry.
You've moved excellence in flight, experience and flight services to a very, very high level. You're a true 5-star airline.
Qatar Airways is the national carrier of my country, and I wear that with complete pride as the Group Chief Executive.